Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open the June 2020 dollar bead bag and box. So two separate subscriptions. I'm going to put the box aside. I'll open the bag. I have a coupon code for you, Bronze2. So that gives you $2 off your first box bag or any purchase on their website. So let's take a look at the bag. $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. Let me pull them out. Pretty blues. Beautiful, high quality Czech fire polish beads. Just love. And also dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder June items through July 2020 for $1 a strand. Best price ever. So 3mm strands, matte olive Maria. That's this one. So it's a beautiful olive color. It has silver and gold. And very pretty matte color. Really nice. Crystal half silver. So crystal, you know, sort of transparent, but then with that half silver coating. Kind of sparkly. Topaz crystal copper. Really pretty. And turquoise silver travertine. This is a really pretty finish, this travertine finish. I love that color. That's so nice. My favorite. Okay, 4mm strands, opaque robin's egg blue with blue zircon. Gotta say that's this one. That's really pretty. Love these blues. Gorgeous. Turquoise silver travertine. So the 4mm of the 3mm. Same color. Really beautiful. Love that. So already these two, perfect to work together. Topaz crystal copper. Again, we have a 4mm and a 3mm of the same color. I love when they do that. And we have opaque white rose gold luster. Gorgeous. Love anything pink and gold together. Really pretty. A lot more pink than I'm seeing through my little screen. Really pretty. All right, so there you go. Here are your fire polish beads. So I'm going to put those aside. I'll get the box and we'll check out what's inside. Okay, let's open her up. Here's our little letter and all the beads. I will pop all the beads out. Pull out the strands. I usually go through the strands first. Oh, look at these pretty, oh, this looks like rose quartz. That's beautiful. Look at the pretty, like sort of purpley, turquoisey color. Oh, pretty. I love these and this. All right, let's get to it. So here's your little letter. Okay, this is as low as $18.50 a month. Depends on how long your subscription is. It goes up from there. You can get free shipping. So just the best thing to do is go to the website. As I said, everything will be linked below with the coupon code so that, you know, you can check it out and see if it's right for you, see if you like it. So they just say, dear member, we hope everyone is doing well and staying healthy. Their employees have been working from home. So the regular staff has been supplemented on occasion by family members, so they're really working hard to get everything out. So they say sometimes if this has caused an error in a subscription or an issue with a reorder, that they're doing their best. Yeah, they're working so hard. So yeah, and they say just, you know, hope you understand and forgive the mishaps. That happens, especially now in this unprecedented time. All right. Strands, 6mm Czech glass pearl, rainbow white. How that glows. That's really something. That glows quite a bit. How are they looking inside? And these the edges look really good to me. These are pretty nice. I mean, this is a very reasonably priced box, and the beads are really good quality. So it looks like they're very well made. They're reflecting the pink a little bit from the rose quartz down there, but they're so pretty. What a glow, huh? 20 pieces. 3mm Czech glass pearl, rainbow white, 40 pieces. So again, the same bead in color and bead in different sizes. It's just the way I always buy my beads. So this is awesome that they do that. It's like instant designing, right? 40 pieces. And then we have the Czech glass pearl in 4mm in teal. Gorgeous. I love that color. That is so pretty. It's almost like a turquoisey, tealy. What a glow, huh? And then we have a 3mm in teal, 40 pieces. Love it. Oh, this is awesome that they're doing this. Thank you, guys. 3 by 5mm Czech glass rondelle, true purple, opaque pink mix. I love these 25 pieces. Look at that color. Look at the purple and the pink. Look at it with this. That's so cool. They're doing so well with their colors lately. Look at that. Those are really pretty. Okay, and then we have 4mm Czech glass rondelle, Jet AB. So here's this little rondelle. It's not faceted, and it's jet, but it has that AB finish. See the sparkle? Nice. And then here, rose quartz, 14-inch strand, 5 to 6mm. Love, 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 love. These are stunning. Love. Okay, I love all these, you can tell. Color-wise, these are just so my favorites. And, you know, the multiple sizes in the same color and same bead, just, I love when they do that. All right, 6 by 8mm Czech glass faceted barrel, green and white opal. I'm searching. 3 pieces. Come on, Steph. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So they really do these kind of odd or different shaped beads, don't they? They really know how to do it. They find the coolest ones. So whenever you're looking for something that is a little bit different from the standard stuff, you need to fill a space or you want something a little more decorative, here you go. Pretty. 18 to 24mm bamboo coral, dyed turquoise, 1 piece. All right, let's see if I can. I'm going to say that's this because it's the only turquoise piece I have. So this is bamboo coral. I don't know what that is, but it is. Let's see, where's the hole? All right, the hole goes this way. Okay, that's odd. That is an, I guess it's a natural, it's natural, a natural piece of coral, but it's really interesting. The color is beautiful. The shape is odd, but you know, if you want an odd shaped sort of turquoisey colored bead, there you go. Kind of looks like a shell, right? Like it could have a snail coming out there. Oh, that could be cool. 12mm shell pearl in white, 1 piece. Oh, this is a big one. This is beautiful. Gorgeous with that. Beautiful. And this is a natural pearl. Wow. That's a biggie. It's beautiful. 8mm Swarovski Article 5601 cube. There we go. So there's a crystal bronze shadow. Got a bunch of cubes. God, if I only had about 6 more arms. Because look, that's a big cube. That's beautiful. Look at the sparkle on that. That is lovely. Gotta work on some cubes. I have cubes, I just have not used them yet. 6 by 7mm freshwater rice pearl, 4 pieces in mint green. These are really pretty. I love this mint green color. That's beautiful. Love. So natural pearls, we're getting some natural pearls going. Love that. 32 by 44mm stamped butterfly. Really pretty. I think we have other stamped pieces I have not used yet. I don't think I've used them yet. If you have, post on my Facebook page what you've done with them, because I think it would be really cool, you know, to use this. Maybe make a pendant or a pen or something, but you've got to find a way to bead around. So if you guys have used them, let me know how you use them. 7-inch Czech glass beaded chain. I love these colors. Purple and pink opal. So 7 inches. So that's really pretty. Again, with everything up here, I mean, you could just use these colors just to make something really beautiful. This pearl, the little green pearls as well. I love making this chain, so when you get it already made, how cool is that? That's great. 10 millimeter pewter floral bead cap, 4 pieces. Maybe is that the wrong one? Did it say 4 pieces? Okay, let me make sure, because I have much more than 4 pieces here. I have 6 pieces. So, but that looks like the floral bead cap to me. So here we go, floral bead cap. That would be perfect as a little pendant. Just put the bead cap on the end of a pearl, especially something this size. That's beautiful. That looks so pretty. It makes it look sort of vintage. Put one on either side and put it on a chain. With the bicone, you have a pretty little pendant. 14 millimeter vintage Czech glass heart button, peach or crystal. Oh, so this is it's Czech glass, so it's a beautiful Czech glass button. It's got a shank. It's a shank button. That's in crystal. That's pretty. That'd be a pretty ending to maybe a little pearl bracelet. You know, just put a little loop around it. Then we have 8 by 10 millimeter black onyx hand cut rondelle. Hand cut rondelle, 2 pieces. Wow. So this is hand cut. Look how beautiful that big chunky rondelle is. That's gorgeous. So this is actually black onyx. So it's a stone. What a gorgeous earring. We have to make an earring, or that would be perfect on the top of a tassel. That is stunning. Love it. Just, you know, these, when we find these type of beads, you know, they're just not something you just normally see a lot. So nice. Whenever, like I said, whenever I need something unusual, I just go right back to the dollar bead box. And then 6 by 8 millimeter Czech glass top drilled drop, jet half copper, 16 pieces, and this with this rondelle. Oh, wouldn't it be pretty if you could make an earring? Just do like several of these drops, kind of like a tassel, but you know, not a ton of them, but just do several hanging down like a beaded strand, and there you have a beautiful earring. So I love that idea of these 2 together, and I love the copper and the black. That is stunning. So these are really, really pretty drops. What did I tell you? The size 6 by 8 millimeter. Nice substantial size. You can even do as I said, use this as the bottom of your tassel. This as, you know, with the tassel coming out here, and then you could put your pearl on top or something else round on top. And just a thought. All right, so there you go. I think that's everything. Did I get everything? I did. Okay, so here, really, really beautiful, beautiful colors this month. So here's your dollar bead box. Here's your bag down here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just check the website out, see if you like it, see if it's right for you. It's a fun website to navigate, very easy, and they have a lot of fun beads on there. Again, everything is linked below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.